After 17 years in the field, I stopped looking at plastic covers and started looking at the engineering that keeps systems running at 2 a.m. in a heat wave. Today we put the Daikin Atmosphera up against the LG Arc-Cool mirror. This is not just a comparison of two premium units, but a battle between a technical pioneer and a design powerhouse. Let us talk build quality and protection first. In the field, the Achilles heel of any outdoor unit is the coil. The Daikin Atmosphera uses R32 refrigerant, which transfers heat more efficiently than the older R410A in much older stock. It features a coated coil designed to fight the corrosion that usually eats through aluminium fins in a few seasons. The LG Arc-Cool mirror brings a hydrophilic coated copper coil that excels at moisture shedding and longevity. But the Daikin feels like it was built by an engineer who actually had to carry a tool bag. On efficiency and tech, the Atmosphera is pushing boundaries. It achieves a 22 SEER2 rating, making it one of the most efficient systems in its class. From an electrician's perspective, the swing compressor in the Daikin is the star. Unlike standard inverters that can have slight friction losses, the swing compressor reduces internal friction and vibration. The LG Arc-Cool mirror hits 22.5 CRR2 and uses a standard DC inverter that is whisper quiet at 45 decibels. But the Daikin's specialized compressor tech is the more robust long-term play. Now for the price, the part that hits your wallet. For a 24,000 BTU setup, Daikin Atmosphera equipment typically retails around $3,700 to $4,900. Once a pro installs it, total project cost sits between $5,500 and $8,000. The LG Arc-Cool mirror hardware usually sells for around $2,000 to $3,000 with installed price between $4,500 and $6,500. You pay a premium for the Daikin, but you pay for future refrigerants and advanced compressor tech. Before we declare a winner, remember the best unit will fail without proper maintenance. Keep air filters clean and ensure the outdoor unit is not choked by weeds or debris. Maintenance is the difference between a 15-year lifespan and a 5-year disaster. The warranty battle gets interesting with Daikin offering a 12-year limited parts warranty on registered systems. LG offers a solid 10-year warranty on compressor and parts, but those extra 2 years from Daikin speak volumes. The verdict, I am calling it for the Daikin Atmosphera. While it costs more upfront, it is the superior investment for a homeowner's bottom line. Between R32 refrigerant, the high-performance swing compressor, and a 12-year warranty, you are buying peace of mind and top efficiency. LG wins on aesthetics, but Daikin wins on pure mechanical grit. Shop like a pro and use the head-to-head tool on HVAC4beginners.com. Before you go, I want to share something important with you. Every month, Enduring Freedom Ministries provides food to over 1,700 people. But a meal is only the first step towards stability. That's why we are building Ezra's Place, a new tiny home community designed to help families get back on their feet for good. I've started a fundraiser right here on the channel to help. Every dollar you give builds a future. Click the donate button below. Thanks for being part of this project. I'll see you in the next one.